Today we will study about the acceleration due to gravity. In this topic, we will discuss about the acceleration due to gravity and also derive its formula. As we study in the previous chapters that there are four fundamental forces, about of which one is gravitational force. This is the force of attraction between two masses. Gravitational force, what is the formula of gravitational force? Gravitational force, if I have a two masses m1 and m2 and separated by the distance r, then the force between them F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Now same force we will apply on the earth surface, because whose mass, a huge mass around us is earth, and here is the earth, and here is one stone at the surface of earth. Let its mass be small m, and if we suppose whole mass of earth is supposed to be concentrated at the center, then let the mass of earth is m, and the distance between two masses is equal to r, radius of earth. And what will be the gravitational force between them? F is equal to G m by r square. This stone on the surface of earth, it attracts toward the center of earth. If A is the acceleration and m is the mass, according to Newton's law, it is equal to force. I am going to put this value here. Ma is equal to G m by r square. Then m is cancelled by this m. A is equal to G m by r square. This is, what is this say? This is the acceleration force by which earth attracts this stone towards itself. So it is, we can also say that acceleration due to gravitational, it is called acceleration due to gravitational force of earth, and that's why it is called acceleration due to gravity, or in short we can say it is gravity. Every time we don't say so long name, and we call it gravity and denote by small g. G is equal to G m by r square, and this is G. We can find out its value by putting the value of G, gravitational constant, mass of earth and radius of earth. By putting all these values, we can get its value is approximately 9.8 meter per second square, and this value is on the surface of earth or near to the surface of earth. If we go above, higher, or inside the earth, the value of G may vary. Like if a stone is little above height from the surface of earth, like 1 meter, 2 meter, it can be neglected because the radius of earth is 6400 kilometer, and the distance 1 meter or 2 meter is neglected as compared to this distance. If a stone is at much higher height, like 5000 kilometer above the surface of earth, at that case the distance cannot be neglected and value of G decreases as the object go higher or more higher from the surface of earth. And one thing more here is this G is the gravity, acceleration due to gravity, and this is the gravitational constant. Here is the difference, and this is all about acceleration due to gravity.